Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another long-awaited video on the Range Rover LSE Classic. Quite a lot of you in all the other videos do keep saying, Rob, what's going on with the car? And guys, we just really haven't had time to get back on the car. When we did do the last bit of a series on it, we did a whole week's worth of videos, and we actually felt like people was getting a bit, it was getting a bit boring to keep doing a video on the same car. So we decided to have a little bit of a layoff on it. We was waiting for some stuff to come in as well. So we are back on it today. Down to the metal work, literally the last piece that we do have to do is this back wheel arch. And we will be getting on with that, and the end of the seal. We will be getting on with that later on today. But as you know, we did a video and you saw us do the other side. So me and Chris was just having a chat and said, it's probably pointless doing the other side because you have watched us do this one and it's all going to be the same stuff. The doors and the wing are over the paint shop, so I am going to be getting those other doors off later, stripping them down, getting the quarter off and dropping them over to the paint shop as well. So we will be showing a bit of that later on this afternoon in the video, but for the moment I am going to concentrate on getting the plenum removed, the rocker box covers removed, and I'm going to try and get them over to the Vapour blaster today. I have spoke to him the other day and said, is it all right if I do a bit of a video? And he has said that that's absolutely fine. So I'm going to get them off, give him a call, and hopefully we can get those over there and get those done and put that in the video. I think that that would be quite enjoyable. So enough waffling on, let's get involved and try and get some of this done today. So guys, I have actually been here about an hour now. This side come off really easy and I've got it ready to go, and I want to get them over there and get that done in this video. I don't know, hopefully that doesn't go blurry. It's got these very old bolts on with like 12-sided head, and they're not playing ball on the driver's side, so I'm struggling with that, and I'm going to continue to do that off camera, and I'll come back with an update as soon as I've got them off. That did turn out to be really awkward to get out, guys, but I did manage to do it and save the bolts. So they're the pieces that we're going to take for now. It's possible that we'll end up getting some more bits done, but make a mental note of just how bad and old they do look, and I will come straight back as soon as we get over there. Right guys, so the guy's just doing some tests on it. He's chucked this inside the Vapour blaster and just literally done that end with it. And he said, Rob, it'll never come up really nice. What he needs to do, bear with me a second. Wayne, did you say that now you're going to put it in the soda blaster? So he's actually going to soda blast it all first. And what that will do is get it all one colour. And then he'll come back in and Vapour blast it after, and it will look a lot better. So I will do a little bit through the window of the other machine, and then we'll come back and I'll do a bit through this window, and we'll watch all that grime and years of wear and tear coming off of there. Sorry about this next clip, guys, you're not going to hear me very well. So guys, I can't get in his way too much, but this is the first soda blasting, first part of it. Basically, it just knocks all of the rubbish and the debris off of it.
It basically takes the bulk of it off.
Takes the bulk of it off and gets it all pretty much the same all the way through. Unfortunately guys, we really can't see a lot through that glass because of the reflection, but I'll get as much as I can And that is starting to come up really, really nice already. Really nice to see it all coming off. I think what we'll probably do is we'll come back when it's in the other cabinet in a minute, and through that window, it's quite large, you can see a lot more, but in this particular machine it is doing a good job of getting rid of all the rubbish and everything that's attached to it over the years, and the oxidisation, it seems to be taking it all off. Quite satisfying to watch that. So guys, that was taking quite a while. So what he done was got the plenum and he just solder blasted it, get it all uniform, and now he's vapor blasting it. And it is looking pretty impressive. So we'll have a look at that when it comes out of the cabinet, but look at that so far. Absolutely incredible bit of kit. I'll put this guy's link in the description, his phone number. I did just ask him if you guys wanted to send him stuff in the post. He said, yeah, I'll quite happily sign for that, get it done, and he'll send it back to you as well. So little things like this, quite easy to send and very, very reasonably priced. You'd have to discuss pricing with him. I know quite a lot of people would, a couple of people would send me pictures and say how much will he charge for that, but you would have to discuss pricing with him, guys. I'm just about to show you the plenum, and if you didn't just see us on video doing that, you would absolutely 100% think that I just got a new one or had it repainted. Look at that. Guys, it looks absolutely like new. I can't believe it. This is the old Rockerbox cover, and obviously we've done half of it. So this looked just like this. And this is not even finished. This is just, Wayne, what did you do to this? You just solder blasted that, and then he solder blasted this, and then he done the vapor blasting on this. So this bit is done. He did say that he's still not happy with it. He will be going over it again in these little crevices, but guys, look how incredible that looks. Even though he has only done that bit of that Rockerbox cover, I am going to grab the other one and put it next to it just to do a comparison. I was just going to grab it, but guys, I am pretty impressed with that. I went to the local sign writers a couple of months ago, and the sign writer's really into Volkswagens, and he was doing up a Mark II Golf. And I said, well, you've put a new alternator and rocker covers, etc. on it. He said, no, I haven't. He had them solder blasted over here. So, and I actually know the guy, so this is where I've come and he's done them. I mean, guys, look at that. That is absolutely, you would think that that's been painted or that's new. It's even brought the connections up like they're new. So, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And I will leave this guy's link and his telephone number. Wayne, what's your Facebook page while we're on camera?
Vapor Blasting Services Kent.
Vapor Blasting Services Kent, guys. And I will put all these other details in the description. Let's head back to the yard and do some work on the car. I did think that I was bringing these over here and bringing them back, but I didn't realise it is quite time consuming. So we're going to leave them with the guy and come back for them another day. Guys, while I was off having fun, I always get the fun jobs. Chris has really been cracking on. I've just come in and helped him lift off the doors. The back wheel arch is all cut out. We've got to tidy this edge up here, cut this out. There is a small seam weld around there on the back of these, so we've got to cut that out. And then the new one, obviously, it does slot right underneath there. So that's all done. The quarter panel's off. He has already completely stripped the driver's door, so we've got to take the handle out. That can go to the paint shop. The quarter panel is ready to go to the paint shop. In the morning, we're going to strip the inside of that door out, so all of this can go over to that paint shop. And really, the only things left that are going to need to go to the paint shop is the body kit, front and back bumper, and have the roof painted. But I don't know if I told you in a previous video, what we've decided to do is he's going to put all these panels around in his workshop, paint them all together. We're then going to completely refit the car and drive it over there and have the roof painted. And that seems like that's the best way round for us. So yeah, quite a productive day on it. And that's soda blasting, guys. Let me know what you think of that. Once again, I would like to apologise for me trying to speak there. I didn't take the microphone, and it was a shame really, but I didn't expect it to be that noisy. But hey, what do I know about soda blasting? I've never had it, or vapor blasting. I've never actually been and had any done before. So yeah, really moving on with it. And we knew we'd kind of nailed that. So we'll be putting that arch in next, and then going round and doing all the welding of all the new plates. And then we'll start the prep for paint and obviously all the seam sealer work. So it has been one of them days today, guys, where we really did get quite a lot of stuff done. Chris has been cracking on over there doing that. I'll come back, literally just had to help him lift a few bits off. That was really nice to go and actually see that vapor blasting and soda blasting, to see how it was done and how incredible it does look. That guy, he's got stuff on the shelf there that's been there for over a year. And he says he's got a bit of a secret to doing the vapor blasting. A lot of people say that have it done, after a few months it goes like all white or starts oxidising again. And he's got a bit of a trick that he does that keeps it looking like that. Obviously it won't last forever. It's the same as when it come out the factory. So overall though, very impressed with that. I'm going to stick that guy's telephone number and the page of his Facebook page in the description. A link will be in the description for you. His name's Wayne. Guys, if you need anything done, give him a call. He couldn't have been more helpful. I do know him from old, and he really did help me out today. So thank you, Wayne. We appreciate that. Guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. I want to thank you all very much for watching. If you do enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up, show your appreciation. We really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Check out the merch, link is in the description. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you very soon with some exciting new ones. Thank you.